Well, hello partners, it's Ike, and today we'll be continuing on our sign-in system. From our previous tutorial, we actually started building the markup for the sign-in page, and we were able to do this. Like I promised from the previous tutorial, we are gonna do the CSS today. What I've done is that I actually have taken time out to type these things. It's not gonna be nice for me to keep typing this stuff while you sit back and watch. It's actually a lot, and wow. Alright, what I'm going to do is to save off all of these CSS files, and then we'll refresh the page and see the magic that happened on our sign-in page. Alright, here we go. How beautiful that transformation went. It's quite nice. Like I told you earlier, you try to ignore this error for right now. In time we're gonna fix it, but let's focus on the sign-in page. Now, sorry guys, before I go on, I remembered explaining to you that we have three basic CSS files that are interrelated with the sign-in page. We have the signin.css, we have the forms.css, and we have the main.css. The main.css, it's like the major CSS file for the whole of the project. It holds styling for elements that affect almost every part of the project. Alright, the forms.css holds stylings that are form specific. Anywhere on our web page where forms are used, this CSS file comes into play. Then finally, we have our signin.css, which holds or which contains styling for specifically our CSS page. Alright, what I can do is to just maybe scroll from top to bottom, so you can take your time and go through it. You can take your time to pause at any point, and if there's any styling you don't understand, you can please ask a question, leave a comment down below, and I'll give you every explanation you need, so we don't waste too much time. We have a lot to build, so let me just skip off this CSS file. We can't go explaining every element on our page, every styling on our page. I think we should focus the energy on something else that will be of much more benefits to you guys. If you remember, I told you guys that I'll be using custom buttons, not the conventional kind of button, and this is the styling for our button. For the button, generally when the button is hovered over and when the button is active, these are the different stylings we have, and it's giving us, this is the product of all of those styling. Okay, then for our forms.css, this is what we have. Label, general form, container, field, water view. Take your time, go through it. I'm sure they are easy to understand stuff, but should in case anything proves difficult to understand, ask for help and you definitely get it. So I guess this is it for this tutorial. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, and hopefully we'll build on the PHP part of this signing system so that we can start signing into our project. Well, have fun guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my uploads. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.